This is Car Guys New England, your YouTube channel for anything automotive.
Bad, cause it bit bad, she want me the bad. Like chips at the front, this fuck, I'm fly like a pelican in my bed. I like in my way, hella quick, they get to hook up on the elephant cut. My trunk, yeah, it's in the front, of course, it's at the back. It's a big, it's a real big difference. You just want a club, I just need them racks. You just wanna party, so I just wanna rock stars.
This is Jay with Car Guys New England. It's a beautiful evening here in Amherst, New Hampshire. I'm in the middle of the Walmart parking lot, and tonight we're going to be installing a Alpine CD head unit in Brett's Crown Vic. So let's get to it. All right, so Brett already took out the radio, so that's going to make this so much easier. Let's get started. All right, so the clock's ticking here before the police show up, right, Brett?
Always.
So we already started putting together the dash kit. So I'm going to install the sleeve, and then we'll get this ready to go in the vehicle. Okay, so we got the sleeve installed on here. So now I am going to install that in the vehicle, run the wire through, and then Brett's going to hand me the radio. I'm going to hook it up, and we are done. All right, so we have installed that. So now I'm just going to hook up the wiring and slide the radio into place. And as you can see, the radio, all the connections were made. So you, sir, now have an awesome radio. All right, Brett, I'd say that's a success.
Yes, sir.
We did it before it got totally dark out here.
Yeah, we did, and before the police showed up.
Yep. So, yeah, we can boogie out of here soon. But anyways, enjoy your radio.
I will. Thank you very much.
Yeah, you're welcome. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give the video a like. If you have questions or comments, be sure to comment down below. This is Jay with Car Guys New England. Until next time, take care.